Okay, good day, everyone. This is Noble Mike Jamison for another episode of Game Time. Hey, listen, I'm excited today because I get a chance to introduce you to not just a good businessman, right, but a really good person to really help us hone in on today's topic. You guys see the topic. We're talking about your credit profile, your credit score, and all of the above. And this gentleman, I'm going to let him share a little bit about why he's an expert in this arena. But I want to introduce to some and announce to others my good friend, Dr. Jerry M. Bobo.
Thank you, man. Truly appreciate everything you do, not only for me and my family, but for the world at large. But not to belabor the moment, man, I've got 17 years as a serial entrepreneur. I'm a psychologist by trade. As you so eloquently stated, we have several brick and mortar businesses, everything from logistics to spas to a newly opened chiropractic clinic.